Is it the right time to buy or sell Zomedica stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Zomedica. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 8, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our recently launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has ranked Zomedica as a hold/accumulate with a score of 0.59. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has gone through some natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 3.77%. In other words, on average, the stock has been returning 0.75% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in a falling trend, making it a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. Based on historical patterns, we can expect the stock to react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $0.193, it could indicate a slower falling rate or even a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected potential change of -12.75% over the next 3 months. This means the stock could potentially have a return between -29.55% and -8.79%. On a broader scale, the 12-month trend suggests a projected -19.39% change over the next year. This translates to a potential return between -53.08% and 6.88%. In terms of price, this could mean a range of $0.0864 to $0.197 after a year. Our latest update for Zomedica brings an important headline: Zomedica stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold/accumulate after Wednesday's trading session. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, the Zomedica stock price experienced a decline of 4.56%, dropping from $0.193 to $0.184. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.32%, reaching a low of $0.180 and a high of $0.190. It's worth noting that the stock has shown an upward trend in 6 of the last 10 days, with a notable increase of 18.08% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the decrease in volume aligns with the stock's decline, which can be seen as a positive indicator since volume tends to follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 2 million shares on the last day, with a total of 3 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $481.95 thousand. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached $0.335, while the lowest price dropped to $0.150. Currently, the stock is 45.01% or $0.151 below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it stands at 93.82% or $2.80 below its all-time high, which was recorded on June 22, 2018, when the price reached $2.98. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, January 6, 2023, Dawson James gave ZOM a buy grade with an initialize action. On Monday, November 16, 2020, H.C. Wainwright rated ZOM as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have given Zomedica stock a general rating of neutral. They consider the P/E ratio to be a good opportunity to buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also seen as a buy. As for the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Zomedica. The Zomedica stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. In addition, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, further supporting a buy signal. If the stock experiences downward corrections, it is expected to find support from the lines at $0.181 and $0.169. However, a breakdown below these levels would issue sell signals. On the other hand, there is also a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, there have been some negative signals as well, which may influence the near short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, November 7, 2023, resulting in a decrease of -4.56% so far. It is expected that the stock will continue to decline until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that the volume of the stock fell along with the price during the last trading day, which is considered a technical positive. However, it's important to be aware that this stock may have low liquidity at times, which increases the overall risk. Today, I want to share some interesting signals with you. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which gave a buy signal recently. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator showed a buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the short-term moving average, it gave a buy signal 8 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 8 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. However, the long-term moving average showed a sell signal 2 days ago. Interestingly, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 59 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Zomedica. Zomedica's stock has some key support levels that we need to keep an eye on. Currently, it finds support just below today's level at $0.168 and $0.166. When a stock tests a support level, there's always a risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $0.168 is broken, the next support will be at $0.166 and $0.161, based on accumulated volume. It's important to consider the volume when assessing the risk. If the stock has low or falling volume, the risk increases. So, be aware of that. Looking at the stock's movements, we can see that during the last day, it had a range of $0.0096 between the high and low, which is equivalent to 5.32%. So, it has average movements during the day. In the past week, the stock's daily average volatility was 7.45%. This means that it has been experiencing some fluctuations. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Zomedica, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is crucial as it measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Established companies can experience downturns due to factors beyond their control. However, consistent negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q3 2023 is expected to be released on November 13, 2023. Today, we're going to analyze potential day trading levels for Zomedica. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Zomedica is at $0.185. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding shares, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Zomedica faces its first support level at $0.168. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Zomedica from multiple analysts is neutral. Now let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On May 26, 2023, Heaton Larry C2 conducted an insider buy of 100,000 shares of common stock, without par value. On May 25, 2023, Powers Johnny D. conducted an insider buy of 100,000 shares of common stock, without par value. On March 16, 2023, Donato Peter conducted an insider buy of 5 million shares of option to buy common stock. On March 16, 2023, Donato Peter conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. On December 9, 2022, Powers Johnny D. conducted an insider buy of 1,465,727 shares of options to buy common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 77.733. Overall, insiders purchased 94,937,495 shares and sold 11,022,509 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $0.174, which represents a decrease of 5.55%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, which translates to a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 1 day ago. Is Zomedica stock a good buy? While Zomedica has some positive signals, we don't believe they are strong enough to consider it a buy candidate. Instead, we recommend holding or accumulating this stock as we wait for further development. Our analysis conclusion has been downgraded from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Based on the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. On Thursday, November 9th, we anticipate Zomedica to open up with a $0.0007 increase, starting at $0.185. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. To ensure you make informed decisions, we recommend consulting a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us is a source of information and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing our information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What price target do you have in mind for this stock? We appreciate your support, so remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.